And renovations are on hold, and neighbors out of this home in the Beaches have been forced to find somewhere else to live for now. That's because there are fears this semi-detached home could collapse. CTV's Zoraida Allman has that story.
The 911 call came at around 12:30 this afternoon. Both police and fire crews responded to a semi-detached home where contractors were working on a renovation.
They were lowering the house down onto the new foundation, and the wall cracked on the side.
A significant crack that you can clearly see running diagonally along the side of the home. From the air, you can see a gaping hole where the back window was and obvious signs of structural damage. Neighbors say the home has been under renovation for about 6 weeks. The only people inside at the time were the contractors.
They managed to get out safe. There was no one else home at the time. In the semi-unit next door, there was no one home. The unit across the driveway, there was no one home, so that was vacant as well.
Vincent Sang lives next door. He and his wife were out with their 3 kids when he got the call to return home.
We were actually at a movie theater watching Star Wars and the dinosaur movie. We want to grab the essentials because we don't know when we'll go back in the house.
So fire crews and police will remain here overnight in case the situation worsens and there is further collapse. Tomorrow, a fence will go up around the home while structural engineers figure out a plan. On Corley Avenue, Zoraida Allman, CTV News.